How to delete section in Wix. So in order to delete a section on your Wix, what you can do is you first need to head over to the Wix editor and then locate that particular section that you want to delete. So further down into this particular site, I have in here this blank section. I want to head over and delete it. So what I can do is I can click onto this particular section right here. And I can head over and click onto these three dots. And then we have in here this delete option. Click on this delete option right here. And then it may take some time to load, but once it's done, this particular section will be deleted altogether, as you can see right here. So as you can see, it's been deleted, and when you scroll up, it will disappear from that particular part anymore, and then it will be replaced by the next part of the actual page. So that's how you delete section in Wix. Hope we helped.